What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back, baby. I said I'm back with another YouTube video, and if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, my girl?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. We're gone for a year.
So in today's video, we are going to be achieving a new and improved soft glam. This is going to be a very warm, very goldy soft glam. I think this is super duper pretty. In today's video, I'm trying out a whole bunch of new products. A lot of the brands that I'm trying out, I'm actually on their PR list, so I'm going to be able to tell you guys in advance, is this something that you guys should check out or not? I'm talking a new foundation, new setting sprays, new eye creams, new lips, new everything is new in this video. Okay, so if you are interested in seeing how we achieve this very simple glam, then definitely keep on watching. Mwah. All right, teammates, so first we're gonna prep our skin. I'm gonna moisturize with the Glow Recipes watermelon moisturizer. We're just gonna work this right into our skin so it's nice, soft, and supple. Then we're gonna prime our face with the Power Grip primer from ELF. You guys know I love this primer, especially when I'm looking for this hydrating summer look. Now we're gonna take a eye cream. So this is an eye cream. It's called Confidence in an Eye Cream from It Cosmetics. I've always wanted to use an eye cream before I applied concealers because I heard it just makes your concealer apply so much better. I've really been liking this eye cream, but I can't give you guys too many details because it's so new to me. So this is also a new product. This is the Urban Decay's Face Bond Foundation. If you guys want to see a detailed review, definitely comment it down below because I can get that for you guys. Now this shade is a little too dark for me, but it ended up balancing itself out later on in today's video. So I really do like this foundation. It retails for $40. They offer 40 shades, so it's super inclusive. It blended really nicely on my skin, and it claims to be self-setting. Next up, we're gonna take the Hourglass concealer. This was something that had went viral on TikTok, and I tried it out, and as you guys know, if you watched that video, I loved it. So because my foundation was a little too dark for me, today we're gonna go ahead and just put the concealer all over our face to just kind of bring back some brightness back into the look, because I was looking a little tan. Okay, I haven't went on vacation yet, so there's no reason why I'm this tan, but it's okay because baby, this look was just so beautiful and just such a breath of fresh air. So now we're just blending out this concealer. I'm taking my Pawpaw sponge that I get from Amazon. You guys know I love that. That's in one of my Holy Grail videos, and it's still a Holy Grail. I'm just using that to blend out my under eye so everything looks smooth, soft, and like butter. Next up, we're going to take our Juvias Place Cream Bronzer. This is in shade Espresso. This is very dark, but this is the only one I could find. I'm actually on their PR list. I did a review on this a while back, but yeah, I just grabbed the shade. I was very light-handed with this because this is not my right skin tone, but it still worked out very well. I really like this cream bronzer. It's really good. I love Juvia's Place's products. I feel like their products are just really elite. We're going to take Lily Glow. This was also a PR package that I received. Oh my god, y'all, like I'm actually realizing like I'm really that makeup girl. Like I've always wanted to be part of like these big brands PR lists, so to be here finally, I really just have to give the thanks to you guys, because if it wasn't for you, that's all I have to say, if it wasn't for you. So we blended out Lily Glow, and now we're going in with the Huda Beauty's setting powder. I just recently started using this setting powder when I did a little shopping at Sephora, and I really fell in love with it. Laura Mercier had me in a chokehold. I tried one size. I've tried a whole bunch of setting powders, and they're all good, but I'm not gonna lie, this might be my favorite. So after I set everywhere that I applied concealer, we're just gonna apply the setting powder to the remainder of the face just so our makeup can be set. So yes, girl, YSL Beauty sent me this bronzer, not YSL, like hold on. So I wanted to try this bronzer out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna have to give this bronzer another shot because I was not crazy about this bronzer. It's good, it's nice, but I just really felt like it wasn't blending as easy in my opinion. So that's something that we're just gonna have to revisit to see what's going on. Maybe it was the foundation, maybe my primers, I don't know. This is a blush that I got from Il Makiage, and they sent that to me. Really like the blush. I topped it on top of the Lily Glow, so it came out with a really pretty like shimmery effect. Really was liking it. Now we're just setting the face with the Huda Beauty setting powder, and I didn't mention, but the setting powder is in shade Banana. Now we're just going to do a soft eyeshadow look. I'm taking the Culture 2 palette that Juvia's Place sent me. Period. This video was just so raw because, like, hold on, not me on everybody PR list. Where's the rest of the girls? Fenty Beauty, where are you? Like, the girls want to know. Like, my girls want to know what's that for real. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and take the shade that I showed you guys. It's like a dark brown. Well, it's like a medium brown shade, and we're just smoking that all over my eyelid and my eyes. And then I'm gonna take this golden brown, and this is called, I believe, Shade Culture. It's gonna be linked down below, like the details of the shades that I'm using. But it's such a beautiful shimmery gold, and I'm just popping that on the lid. This is gonna be my nighttime summer look. So we're in the summer right now, so I really wanted something that you can wear nighttime, still fun, still flirty, and just very easy, but you know, it's giving like that nighttime, kind of like date night vibes. So I'm taking my Milani Stay Put eyeliner. I love this. I get this from Amazon. I believe it's like $8, and it is just so good. I use it for me and my clients. It is just so good. It dries super fast and it's super matte. So if you struggle with your eyeliner smudging, that's gonna help. After we dust our face down, I'm just gonna take the Il Makiage mascara. This is not my favorite mascara. My favorite mascara is actually the YSL mascara, but I could not find it, so we had to move to the Il Makiage. The Il Makiage is okay, but it's more for like a soft, natural look. I do like the shape of the wand, but I mean, it's all right. So girl, these are the new Juvias Places liquid lipsticks, okay? In today's video, I am not gonna do the full shebang, okay? I'm not doing the full shebang yet, y'all. Why did I drop this? Why did I drop this? Okay, but I'm not doing the full shebang review today. I'm gonna show you guys 2 shades, but if you want a full review, comment that down below because this just dropped. I think they had like the minis only, and they finally released like the full like size like tubes. So if you guys want me to swatch every single shade and you guys want to see how they look, definitely let me know and I can do that for you. So I showed you guys the first shade that I tried out. I liked it. It was like a soft kind of peachy nude, but I don't know, I feel like with today's look, I think I wanted to go for the red. Like, I don't know, look how the red looks. This is called Lulu. Look how pretty this is. It really made the gold pop. Oh my god, look at that, y'all. Which one do y'all like more? Like, are you feeling the red? Like, the red is eating. The red is definitely eating. Or are you feeling like the nude? Because like, this is the nude and the nude looks really good too. Like, I was feeling the nude. I don't know, like, you tell me which one you like, but in today's look, I decided to go with the nude so my lips can look muted. But anyways, we're taking the Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray, but this is the watermelon formula, and it smells so freaking good. It has hyaluronic acid. It is just super raw. Okay, so this is what the face is looking like. Okay, this was a mouthful because I really just came to realization that I am on so many PR lists, like Urban Decay, YSL, Juvias Place, Il Makiage. Oh my god, like, I'm so grateful, y'all. Y'all don't understand. Like, I think I'm gonna do another sit down video and just talk about how I got to this point in my career because I am just so freaking grateful. Like, wow, I'm just a girl from South Florida and I'm really making my dreams come true. And if it wasn't for you guys, this would not be possible. So any product that you guys see in today's video, if you want a detailed review on that product, comment it down below. This is the final look and I'm absolutely in love with this look. If you guys are, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up so I know you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, join the team, and just do it like Nike if you haven't already. And comment down below this secret emoji so I know you are gang and you watch my videos all the way through. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.